Okay.
And we really do have a jam-packed show, and we're kind of talking about AI and some crimes that have been popping up when it comes to AI. And this is kind of new territory for basically everyone, for the attorneys prosecuting the cases,
The police
for the police investigating,
arresting, and then you have to try to figure out how the criminals are getting around this.
So we decided we would bring in the expert.
Of course.
You know him, you love him. Josh is here. Good morning, Josh.
Hey, good morning, guys.
So let's start with this first one, because this one's actually here in our own backyard. There was a Chandler man. I think we have video of his mugshot. This is him right here. His name is Willoughby. I just lost his first name. Or rather, William Powderly, 44 years old. So the Maricopa County Attorney's Office announced that it had indicted him for possessing child sexual material, including 2 images in which AI was used to swap the faces of a real child onto the faces of another young female in sexually explicit images. So that's just kind of mind-boggling that AI is kind of unfortunately being used in this manner. But can you blame AI? Are they at all, these companies that they're using, these criminals are using, can they at all be held responsible?
You know, with developing technology and how fast we are progressing in science and so forth, the landscape is changing so fast. And here we have a situation where AI is creating illegal content. And the question becomes, at what point does AI and ChatGPT and the like become responsible and be held accountable for producing illegal content? And the statutes that we have actually deal with this scenario. Because there actually were some test cases in Ohio and in the Midwest where the idea was if a defendant produced child pornography using graphic hypotheticals on AI, would that still be a crime? Because it's not a real human, and let's say it's in a cartoon form, and the answer was yes. And it was a landmark decision, and it was about 5 years ago, and every state has been catching up to that case ever since, including Arizona.
I have a question. The first thing you said was AI is creating this content.
Yes.
Is AI creating it, or are we creating it by putting in the prompts?
So the way that AI works is, at its basic level, it's kind of like Google searches. They bring together all of these search terms and links, and they give you an answer to your question. The problem is when AI starts giving you content. So it's not just bringing in third-party information. It's actually creating something. And as soon as it starts to create something, then it no longer has the immunity that these companies generally have by having a platform. So just so the listeners understand, companies like Google and Facebook and Instagram, they all have immunity from what third parties put onto their websites. For example, if somebody says something that is illegal on Facebook, like they want to do something, I'm not going to say what it is out loud, but let's just say it's illegal. Facebook itself is not going to be liable because they're saying that we're just a platform in a public square that anybody can come here and say what they want. The problem is when Facebook and other companies start creating the content themselves. And so when you create an image that's an illegal image, that itself takes them out of what's it called? Immunity, excuse me.
So is there one person at ChatGPT or AI or what have you, whatever outlet is being used, that would then get charged?
Good question. And the answer is, unfortunately, it depends. Now, I'll tell you, Chris Mays has done a really good job at prosecuting corporations since she was elected. And you can prosecute an entity. So in this case, it would be the CEO that would have to answer, and his name is Sam Altman. And, he's no stranger to controversy. He was named in a lawsuit a few months ago that we had on this channel, the Adam Rain case, where ChatGPT was accused of facilitating a teenager's suicide by befriending the teenager, giving him ideas on how to commit suicide, and actually telling him when